In a quiet village nestled between towering trees, lived a little girl named Lily. Lily was a kind-hearted girl, always helping her mother and exploring the forest nearby. One day, curiosity led Lily deeper into the forest, a place where no one in the village dared to go. As she wandered, Lily noticed a strange, glowing light coming from behind a bush. To her surprise, she discovered a tiny fairy, no bigger than her hand, with wings that shimmered like the morning dew. The fairy named Talia was in trouble. She had lost her way and couldn't return to her home in the enchanted grove. Lily offered to help Talia find her way back, and thus began a beautiful friendship between the girl and the fairy. Together, they journeyed through the forest, facing challenges but overcoming them with courage and kindness. Finally, they reached the enchanted grove, a place of wonder and magic where fairies lived in harmony. It was time for Talia to stay with her family, but she promised Lily that their friendship would last forever. As a token of their bond, Talia gave Lily a magical pendant, which would always remind her of their adventure. Lily returned to her village, her heart filled with joy and memories of her fairy friend. From that day on, Lily was different. She was braver, kinder, and always kept the magic of friendship in her heart. Whenever she felt alone, Lily would hold the pendant, feeling Talia's presence and knowing that magic was always around her. And so Lily and Talia remained friends forever, their bond stronger than any magic.